ready? I'm gonna guess. I have a magic for you.
Hoy!
So, think of your favorite color.
Duha?
One only.
Purple.
Na ayaw isaba. Balik. Another one. I'm locking in. This is your favorite color. Now, I want you to tell me your favorite color. This is your favorite color, ha? Okay, what's your favorite color? Ayaw, nag-abrihan sa ayaw sa. Hey, what's your favorite color?
Pink.
Okay, so I want you to think of your favorite number. Okay na? Ayaw sa. Put it here. And this one here. This is your favorite number. Ayusa! Now,
I have pink favorite.
what is your favorite number?
Here. 8.
So, I want you to think of your favorite animal.
Done.
Okay. Now, I want you to think of an arrow. Up, down, left, and right.
Ha?
Magting ka og arrow. Up, down, left, and right.
Muna ang options.
Okay. Now, what's your favorite animal?
Hamster. Here.
Hamster. Okay. I'm gonna write your arrows. Now the magic is done.
My friend, I'll say it clear and state my case, of which I'm certain.
And a spicy noodles.
Now, I want you to think unsa ang imuhang arrow. Up, down, left, or right. Up.
Much more than this. I did it my
What does this say?
way.
What? Tagda na. Now, what is your favorite color?
Pink.
Saw it through without exemption. I'm so proud of you.
Here.
Open this one. What's your favorite animal?
Each careful step along the byway. Much more than this.
Here's pink.
What is it? Is it a magic? Ayaw. Is it a magic?